Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Chrome is current and you're signed in so themes sync. This avoids mismatched looks across devices. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Appearance, or open a new tab and click Customize in the bottom right. Make sure you have a stable internet connection if you plan to use the Chrome Web Store. This gets you to the controls you need without unnecessary delays, so you can pick or modify a theme immediately. Now pick where to get your theme. The Chrome Web Store offers complete theme packages, while Customize lets you choose color and background quickly. Click a Web Store theme to preview it. If you prefer control, open Customize color and theme and test palettes for readability. Make sure contrast keeps tabs and toolbar legible, because an attractive theme that harms usability defeats the purpose. Once you've previewed, click Add to Chrome or Done to apply your chosen look. Apply the theme and give Chrome a quick restart if visuals don't update immediately. That forces the new assets to load. If you change your mind, go to Settings Appearance and reset to Default Theme to restore the original look. Make sure to check Incognito or other profiles, because themes can be profile-specific. If the theme fails to apply or looks broken, clear browser cache and disable UI-altering extensions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.